on my page, you can see that I have a highlight, and that has all of the products that I highly recommend to my clients. And I feel like if they can see what I'm using or something that I recommend for them, they're more likely going to get that product because they can see that I care about it. So they want to care about it just as much as I do. Instead of setting that product in front of the client, like on like your shelf or whatever it might be, they're on their phone literally probably the whole time you're blow drying them. So make sure you're just letting them know that you have like a highlight spot on your Instagram page that's so easy to go through and look. And I think that has helped me grow my retail sales because they're actually seeing the product and seeing what it's all about rather than waiting till the end of their visit with you and walking them up and just reminding them they get a product. They can see what they want. And I think all of my clients have bought all of the things that are on that highlight. More engaging because it's almost like just a short video that they're getting to watch of all the colors that I've done. I have chosen some of my favorites, and I have recently had a couple screenshots from my highlight reel of my colors rather than just getting them from my page. If you're posting your opening times and your dates in front of them where they can read it, they're more likely going to book with you because it's almost like, oh my gosh, she's booked for the rest of the year, but really you're just giving them the dates that are open. So I feel like having your clients think you're kind of busy, and those are the only openings you have, they're more likely going to get on your book because they need their hair colored.